AI video just changed everything in 2026. Google's VO3 blew people away with hyper-realistic videos, but almost nobody is talking about what China just dropped. 3 completely free AI video generators that can compete with the best paid tools out there. And today, I'm breaking them all down for you. So watch till the end, you don't want to miss this. Like, subscribe, and join my Discord link in the bio. So this is the very first AI tool that I'm going to be showing you in this video. Now, this AI tool is completely free and totally unlimited. As you can see right here, it actually says login, which just goes to show you that I'm not logged in at all right now, and yet you can still use this. It is completely free, open source, and you don't even need to log in to get started. Now, you might be wondering, okay, how do I actually generate images with this? Well, it's really simple. All you have to do is type in a prompt right here in the prompt box. For example, I can say, realistic woman on a sidewalk right here. And the reason why I really love this AI tool is that you can personalize your generations very, very effectively. If you click here, you can add a specific shot type. I think I'll go with a portrait. Then for the color, I can choose warm tones. And for the effect, I'm gonna go with a background blur, but I'll leave the art style on casual photo. If you scroll down, you can see that you have a lot of different options to choose from depending on whatever you want to generate. For this demo, I'm just gonna leave it on casual photo and keep the aspect ratio at portrait. Now, here's a little trick. I recommend generating 2 to 4 images at a time. This ensures you get better detail and higher quality in your generations. So I'm just gonna go with 4 right now. So we have a good variety of options to choose from. All you have to do now is click on Generate. Do keep in mind, again, that this AI tool is completely free and unlimited for me to use. I'm going to be revealing the link in just a few moments, so make sure you stay tuned while our images are being generated. Okay, we have our first image here, and it's looking really, really good. Now you can see all our images are done generating, and honestly, they look amazing. It paid attention to the prompt really, really well. As you can see, it has that background blur we asked for. There is a woman, and she is clearly on the sidewalk. It adhered perfectly, and this looks really, really realistic. Just look at this one here. You can simply click right here and save it straight to your device. This is incredibly realistic. As you can see, the details on her face look truly lifelike. Honestly, this AI tool is truly a beast, especially considering that it's completely free, unlimited, and you don't even need to log in. All you have to do is click the link and proceed with your generations. And this right here is the link to the AI tool I just showed you. Make sure to check it out. Now, let's move on to the next one. So, this is the second AI tool I'm going to show you today. And honestly, I don't know why this AI tool is the least talked about, because it's just as good as the paid ones, and it happens to be completely free and unlimited as well. To get started, all you have to do is click here and select Qwen 3.5+. I'm just going to expand the models here so you can see exactly what this AI tool can do. You can see all the different specialized models that come with this particular AI tool. They even have one specifically for coding, which is really, really good. I'm just going to leave it as is with the 3.5+ for now. If you click on this plus button, you can see you have even more features here. You actually have the choice to generate images and to even generate videos as well, all right here within this one AI tool. And if you look around, there is absolutely no credit system anywhere. That's just to show you that I'm not capping. And this AI tool is completely free and unlimited for me and you to use. Don't worry, I'll be revealing the link in coming moments. For now, all you have to do is click on Create Image. If you look over here on the side, you can see examples of the realistic images that can be generated with this AI tool. So all you have to do is type in what you want. Like, I would say a realistic woman in a coffee shop. Just like this. For the aspect ratio, I'm gonna go with 9:16 and then hit generate. Our image is now being generated. Honestly, I'm really intrigued to see how well this one does. If you look around even more, you can see again that there is no credit system anywhere. This is truly free and unlimited for me and you to use, And the image and video generation quality is actually outstanding, especially judging that it is completely free and unlimited. I'll show you the results in coming moments. Okay, our image is done generating, and if we click here, we can get a better view. As you can see, this is really, really good. The attention to detail is actually astonishing. As you can see, she's seated in a coffee shop, and she even has a coffee in her hand. You can choose to edit anything you don't like about the picture. Like, if you wanted to remove this shoe here, you can just use the built-in edit feature. I'm just going to click on download and save this straight into my device. Now, you can even turn this image into a video, all from right here. Just click on Create Video, and you are given the chance to type in specific prompts that you want to guide the motion, or you can just send it over without typing any prompts. I'm just going to enter a simple action. She gently touches her hair, and then click Generate. Our video is being generated, as you can see here. Let's see how well this AI tool handles this request. Okay, so our video is done generating. Let's take a closer look at the result. As you can see, this is really, really good. The details on her face are just astonishing. Honestly, this is as realistic as it gets when it comes to free AI models. You can type in any prompt you want here to generate a video with it, and yeah, it works really, really well. As you can see, it's completely free and open for everyone to use. And this right here is the link to it. Make sure you get this, make sure you check it out. Now for the last AI image and video generator, which I believe is truly the best Chinese AI out there right now. This is it. All you have to do is click on Visual Generation, and you scroll down, and you see that this is Hunyuan Image 3, which is the image generator we're going to be trying out first. Before we proceed to the video generation, let's click on Experience It Now, and you'll be loaded over to this interface. Now, do keep in mind that this is a Chinese website, so if everything is in Chinese, don't panic. Just right-click on the page and click on Translate to English, so it can be translated for you. As you can see, we're loaded over to this interface, and right from the get-go, you can see we have a prompt box, you can change the aspect ratio, and you can select the quality. I'm just going to type in a simple prompt. I'll say, realistic portrait of a woman with pink hair. It looks like this. I'll select the aspect ratio. For this, I'm going with 9:16 once again. I can take the quality all the way up to 4K, but I'm just going to leave it as is and hit generate. The AI tool begins to generate our image for us. Let's see how well it handles this. While this is generating, do keep in mind that this particular tool, and actually everything we have covered in this video, is completely free and unlimited for me and you to use. I didn't pay a dime for any of this. You can check it out for yourself. Okay, so our image is done generating. And if you take a closer look, you can see that it adhered to the prompt really, really well. This is indeed a woman. She has pink hair, and this looks really, really good. Once again, this is completely free and unlimited for me and you to use. You can just click here and download the image straight into your device. Now, if you click here on the models, you can see that there's even an image to video model, which we'll be testing out now. Just click on it, click here, and just like before, the interface will be changed slightly. You can select the resolution. I'm going to go with 1080p. Now, for uploading your image, I'm just going to upload the image that we generated earlier, which is this one. I'll give it a dynamic prompt, and I would say she stands up and walks away. Just like this, and click Generate. As you can see, once again, there is no credit system, and this tool, everything here, is completely free and unlimited for me and you to use. No paid plan, no nothing. Just click the link that I will give you in the coming minutes, and you'll be good to go. Okay, our video is being generated. Let's give this a minute. Okay, so our video is done generating. Let's take a look. And wow, as you can see, it adhered to the prompt perfectly. She goes up and moves left, and there is even motion in the background, just to show you the level of attention to detail that this AI tool has. This is really, really good. And once again, you can download this straight into your device by clicking right here. And now, lastly, let's test out the text-to-video feature, which is this one right here. Let's click on it, and click here to confirm, and you'll be loaded over to this interface once again. You can select the resolution. I'm gonna take it at 1080p again. For the prompt, I would say a realistic video of a dog running in the park, just like this. I'm going to leave the aspect ratio at 16:9 and hit generate. Once again, our video is being generated. Let's see how this does. Okay, our video is ready. Let's play this full screen. As you can see, this adhered to the prompt perfectly. The dog is running in the park, and this is truly, truly astonishing, especially judging that it is completely free and unlimited for me and you to use. You can download it straight into your device just like before. This right here is the link to the AI tool. Make sure to check it out. So, that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to join my Discord for the latest news updates. Yeah,